What's going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today is October the 1st. Welcome to Q4, everyone. I want to give you a quick pre-market update, go over some of the hot movers and what big money is doing today. Before we get into any of that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. So starting off today, you have manufacturing data coming out at 9:45. Forecast is 47. So that's going to be a very big one to watch for. In theory, anything below 50 is still more of a contraction. So similar to yesterday's data for the Chicago PMI, 46.6, and then the forecast was 46.1. Still, the market took that as somewhat as a positive, only because for rate cuts, it kind of made it a little bit more beneficial. But aside from that, though, you do have a couple other Fed speakers near the tail end of the day. So something to kind of keep in mind. Right now, futures are somewhat mixed. So NASDAQ is up 0.06, S&P is down 0.06, and Dow is down 0.36. So kind of all over the place. Fear and greed index is under the greed category, and potentially the manufacturing data could be that kind of catalyst to push it into the extreme greed, meaning people's appetite for risk is increasing. So something to keep in mind. SOFI is up right now, just piggybacking off the broader market. No actual news, no SEC filings. They should be announcing the date of their Q3 earnings in the next couple of days, so kind of anticipate that. And as far as shorts have been just still lingering. Still 17.5% of the free float being shorted is very high if you ask me. That does equate to $1.44 billion. 183.08 million shares overall are being shorted though. So kind of anticipate them to be more active near the tail end of the week. Not necessarily today, but right now with it at 788, it is right below this pivot. So watch for it to get above that 789. 768 is going to be the strong support, and then $8.10 will be the following resistance / target. So kind of just take note of some of the strong support and resistance points for SOFI. NIO. So NIO is up slightly this morning, even in the over hours or 24-hour trading. It did hit a high of $7.51 through IBKR, so pretty impressive stuff. And they did announce their delivery numbers. So it looks like their sub-brand delivery started late September 2024. 21,181 vehicles were delivered in September, and that's an increase of 35.4% year over year. Pretty good stuff. Shorts have been really all over them, especially yesterday when they had their 20+% day. And Ortex does not seem to be wanting to load, so regrettably can't give an update for that right now. But right now with NIO at $6.95, it is trading between this R1 and R2. So 707 will be that next strong kind of resistance / target. When it was going up yesterday, it just blew right past that. So I don't know, we'll just have to wait and see how strong that truly is, or even if it is tested once again during the trading day. But $6.69 and then 608 is going to be the strong supports at this stage. Yesterday it did bounce off this R1, so that's kind of a positive thing. We'll just have to wait and see what plays out from all of that. Then you have this company, ticker DUO. It did go up 17.78% yesterday, and that is because of this. So on September the 30th, they did have the Class A ordinary shares represented by also ADRs on the NASDAQ. So of course this right here is ADRs because it is on the NASDAQ as what is stated here. So yeah, essentially it is going up as a byproduct of that. So it looks like it is recently listed based on that, and all of this prior information must have been from, I guess, wherever other exchange it is from. Not enough information for any fib levels or anything like that. Based on what happened yesterday for shorts, does indicate 2.04 million shares overall are being shorted, and it doesn't show this right here because if we go over here, they're free float shares that shows NA. So everything is just formulas behind the scenes, but it does show shares outstanding being 6.46 million. So if this 2.04 million is accurate, then roughly around 30-something% is being shorted right now. So kind of interesting. NVDA is up slightly. Nothing special right now going on. It is just piggybacking off of the broader market. Still not heavily shorted, so 1.21% of the free float being shorted. And then $121 and change. It is trading right above this pivot. So just watch for 121.30 131 to be the strong support, and then 126 is going to be the next strong resistance slash target. So kind of just take note of some of the strong support and resistance points. NVIDIA, I feel like, has still been a beast behind the scenes, hasn't been the poster boy as much as it was throughout the last 2 quarters, but it's been following the technicals to a T, so kind of just take note of that. And then finally, Apple is pulling back slightly only because of a article slash rumor that Apple is going to be cutting on iPhone production, but it is due to demand. So I don't know. That's just a rumor as far as right now. Apple's not heavily shorted at all, but right now with that 229 and change, it is trading between this R1 and R2. So 229.22 will be the strong support, and then 230 will be that next strong resistance slash target. Even yesterday, it was really pushing that 233 range. So it did have some pretty kick-ass momentum, so we'll just have to wait and see what does come from the manufacturing data, from the Fed speakers, and yeah. So let me know your thoughts. What stocks are you buying today, or what are you selling? What's your kind of overall sentiment on the broader market? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I feel like a lot of people are cautiously optimistic towards the upside, but a lot of people are acknowledging a lot of the red flags as well. So it's kind of a mixed feeling right now. And make sure you guys definitely take advantage of this promo. On a side note, it does give you 5 free stocks. Each stock is valued up to $2,000. This promo has been extended on a side note. So with all that said, appreciate all of you guys watching.